The if statement. There can be 0 or more elif parts, and the else part is optional. The keyword elif is short for else if and is useful to avoid for excessive indentation. If you come from a different language, you can use if sequence to substitute for a switch or a case statement that is found in other languages. So let's create a file here, if statement. So we're going to create a small program that's going to tell us if the number is less than 0, equal to 0, or greater than 0, but less than 1, or the number is bigger than or equal to 1. So I created a variable called number, which is 17, and I created a variable called result, which is an empty string. Now I'm going to write the if statement. So here's our program. If the number is less than 0, this is the less symbol, less than 0, the result is going to be this. If the number is equal to 0, the result is going to be this. Else, if the number is greater than 0 but less than 1, we're going to print this one here. And anything else, the number is bigger than or equal to 1. So let's run our program. The number is bigger than or equal to 1. 17 is bigger than or equal to 1. That is true. And we can actually even add an input since we learned the input. So we can just create an input here. So we created an input now, so it's going to be dynamic. Because we know this is going to be a number, we have to make sure that it is a number. So we put an int to turn this string into a number, because the input turns the input was going to be a string, and the int turns it into a number. Let's run our program again. The number is bigger than or equal to 1. Let's run it again. The number is equal to 0.